Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics? Together, they form the backbone of our world's future. STEM isn't just a set of subjects, it's a framework for creating innovative minds. At its core, STEM education is about solving real-world problems through critical thinking. The future job market is calling for skills that STEM uniquely empowers us with. Careers in STEM not only promise growth but also hold lucrative opportunities. Through STEM, creativity flourishes and innovation knows no bounds. STEM education extends beyond the confines of traditional classrooms. Hands-on projects transform learning into an exciting, engaging adventure. After-school programs nurture minds eager to explore, discover, and invent. Community initiatives bring STEM into the heart of our neighborhoods. Despite the strides in STEM, there is a pressing need for greater diversity. Diverse perspectives enhance creativity and enable breakthrough innovations. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to welcome underrepresented groups. Countries like China and the UK are lighting the way with early STEM education. They understand the necessity of preparing students for a tech-driven world. As STEM evolves, it embraces the arts through STEAM, enriching the educational tapestry. Long-distance learning eliminates borders, making STEM accessible to all. Together, we can build a future where every voice in STEM is heard. Let us foster communities that inspire every child to see themselves in STEM fields. Because with STEM, the only limit is our imagination and the possibilities are endless.
To get what we offer as soon as it's released, click the notification button. And, by sharing, you also ensure your friends enjoy the same contents. Feel free to ask questions and suggest new contents by commenting below. Do not forget to subscribe to our free online courses. Our next video will pop up shortly, stay tuned to learn more.